Hey everyone, want to turn your car into a smarter, safer, and more stylish ride? Stay tuned, you won't believe how easy these upgrades can be. Are you tired of losing your phone, wallet, or keys between the seats? The seat side organizer is the perfect solution. Designed to fit neatly between your car seat and console, it keeps all your essentials within easy reach. No more clutter, no more distractions while driving, just a clean, organized, and stress-free ride every time you get behind the wheel. Transform the look of your car instantly with Devil Eyes lights. Not only do they improve visibility at night, but they also give your vehicle a bold, aggressive style that turns heads on the road. Drive safer and stand out with a touch of personality and power. Snow and ice don't have to stop you from getting where you need to go. With KÖNIG snow chains, you get maximum traction and control, even in the harshest winter conditions. They're quick to install, durable, and designed to keep you safe on the road. Whether it's daily driving or a mountain trip, KÖNIG makes winter driving simple and secure. Stay focused on the road with the smart HUD display. It projects your speed, navigation, and other key information right onto your windshield, so you never have to look down or get distracted. Drive smarter, safer, and with a futuristic touch every time you hit the road. Keep your valuables safe and out of sight with the Headrest Safe. It looks just like a regular headrest, but inside there's a secure compartment for your wallet, keys, or important documents. Durable, discreet, and easy to access, it gives you peace of mind every time you leave your car, knowing your belongings are protected. Never run out of power on the road again with the 4-in-1 car charger. Designed to charge multiple devices at the same time, it delivers fast and efficient power for your phone, tablet, or any USB device. Its compact and smart design keeps your car organized, eliminating messy cables and clutter. Perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or keeping your gadgets ready whenever you need them. Stay connected, powered up, and worry-free no matter where the journey takes you. Turn your car into a smart, connected hub with Roav Viva. With Alexa built right in, you can control music, get directions, check the weather, and even manage smart home devices all hands-free while driving. It's easy to set up, keeps you focused on the road, and makes every trip more convenient and enjoyable. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or on a road trip, Roav Viva brings the power of a smart assistant directly to your vehicle. Stay connected no matter where you are with the weBoost Signal Booster. It strengthens your cell signal, reducing dropped calls and slow data even in remote areas. Easy to install and compatible with most devices, it ensures reliable connectivity so you can make calls, stream, and navigate without interruptions, keeping you connected wherever the road takes you. Drive with confidence and peace of mind with the Rohent Bay Car Camera. It captures every moment on the road in high definition, helping protect you in case of accidents or unexpected events. Easy to install and reliable, this car camera ensures you have clear footage whenever you need it, making your journeys safer and stress-free. Keep all your devices powered up and organized with the smart charging station. It lets you charge multiple gadgets at once, eliminating messy cables and clutter in your car or home. Fast, efficient, and compact, it's perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or just keeping everything ready when you need it. Stay connected, organized, and fully charged anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these car upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let us know in the comments which upgrade you'd try first.